Dear friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will teach you how to make an incredible energizing cocktail out of the organic and fresh fruits and vegetables, mainly vegetables. So as you see, we have a few superpower veggies here on the tray. It's a beet, ginger, cucumber, different types of carrots. I even using the beet leaves, and we're also going to have a celery. So I will show you beforehand, before I'm mixing it up and making a juice out of it, what I do, the procedure that I do to clean the vegetables out of pesticides. So follow me and watch this video till the end. Dear friends, follow my channel and like this video and share it with someone who will benefit from it, because it will help me to share this information with more people all over the world. So let's get started. These two main things we're going to use to eliminate the pesticides from our vegetables is baking soda and apple cider vinegar. And the procedure is very simple. Just put a nice amount of water in your sink. I already closed it up so the water doesn't leak out. And I will show you the approximate amount of soda that I am putting for this amount of vegetables. So about a handful of soda. You just put it inside of your sink. And the apple cider vinegar is activating soda. So just shake it up and activate it. You're gonna see the bubbles. Just about this is enough. And start putting the water inside of your sink. Then add inside your vegetables. So I have all of this prepared. Something about rice. And just putting all of that to soak in here. So that is enough. And then just shake it up. And let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then just take off your vegetables, and we're going to be ready to juice and make our mixture.
At this part of the video, I would love to give you a little bit of the information and the knowledge behind this juice. So we're using the cucumber, and they are extremely beneficial for the kidney health and for the elimination of the toxins and extra water out of our cells. The beets are incredible energy givers. We receive a natural energy. They also cleansing the liver and cleansing our blood. The celery is very beneficial for the kidneys as well and the urinary tract, so you will prevent yourself from UTIs and any other illnesses by having some celery in your juice. The beets and the beet leaves are very powerful with the antioxidants, so I never toss them away. I prefer to juice them as well. And of course, the ginger is a superfood, gives the energy, also stimulates the immune system and overall health.
The final touch for this juice is going to be a lemon. I love to squeeze the lemon separately. And also, we already spoke about the properties of this juice, but if you would love to activate it even more, add a drop of olive oil inside. So this way the properties of beets and carrots would be absorbed by your body properly. And so I'm squeezing just a couple halves of lemon and shaking everything up. I want to show you also the color of this beautiful cocktail. So I would recommend to have a little bit daily. If you feel that this juice is too strong for you, you can also add 50% of water and 50% of juice. So let's take a look at the color. So that is a beautiful, energizing cocktail from Mother Nature. And it's very, very rich. That's why I'm saying you easily can divide it on half with the water. Okay, so that's what we made. Let's taste it. This concoction is a little bit bitter, yet have a fresh lemon taste. If you want to sweeten it up a little bit, just simply add an apple or half of the apple to this beautiful mixture, and it will not harm whatsoever. So this, guys, is a natural energy boost. Plus, I already talked about the properties. It's an enormous amount of properties from this juice. and I hope that you're really going to enjoy it. Don't forget, if it's too strong for you, you can always add a 50% of distill or a normal water, and just drink it 50 juice and 50 water. Just mix it up to make it easy on your system, and then maybe you can start drinking the concentrate. So that's it. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow my channel and like this video for me to be able to reach bigger audience and share these healthy recipes and healthy wellness with them. Also, check out the links under this video where I am sharing the practices that I do and the books that I write for benefits to all of you. And it was Full Rubis, CEO of Neo Sutras. I see you guys in next episode.